Okay, and listen to the people, yeah? This is my year plus update on my hair transplant. As you can see, my hairline is looking mad. I can't be bothered to put no photos. Look for yourself, don't be lazy, yeah? My hairline used to be there, now my hairline's popped. I don't know, let me just do the crown. Maybe the crown's a little bit. But yeah, that's my update, innit? So what I'm telling you, the reason why I'm changing this channel to positive masculinity is that's the reason, innit? Why are we getting a hair transplant? Because you think girls will like it better, you feel like less attractive, whatever, all this shit. I'm saying that's irrelevant. But what I'm saying with a hair transplant, you can see in the video I pinned, the hair transplant clinic I went to, you know, you want to do it somewhere, you know, cheap. All I'm saying is my clinic, you know, it's known on, if you look on Reddit, it's known as a hair mill and all this shit. They don't know what they're fucking talking about. Like, I'm saying, like, I'm going to tell you, you can look at other videos on this channel. I implore you, go look and I'll explain. But all they do, yeah, and the problem with this clinic is the aftercare that they did, and they didn't give me, look, I can take pain. They didn't give me enough anesthetic because that shit hurt. I can take pain, that shit hurt. So all you do is you're lying down, yeah, stomach-wise, which is the most uncomfortable because you're in the stomach. And my one was a woman, and she literally, I didn't see this, but I know this is what they did. It's like a drill in it. They drill the hair that exists. So for example, obviously my hairline was like there. They drill the hair that exists, which is typically going to be in the back, you know, the back of the head or hair. They drill it, they take it out. Yeah, it's like a drill in it. They make a little hole, so you're bleeding everywhere in it. Then they gotta do that for half an hour each side. So half an hour like that, half an hour left, half an hour right. Fucking uncomfortable. And it hurt like shit. They did not give me enough anesthetic, that's for sure. They should have gave me more anesthetic. Like, it fucking hurt. I was talking to someone else, you can see the review on the channel. This guy, I can't remember, Milo his name is in, he got one in Thailand, and his shit was fine. My shit, I look like a balloon. You can see my video, my face, because of the trauma, my face was like this. It was a balloon. Like, I looked fucked. It didn't affect the hair transplant. The hair transplant is fine. You can see the progress again. This is it. You know what I mean? It's full up. But what I'm saying is, do not take Finasteride in it. I'm saying I'll do more. Finasteride, look, I've been the most depressed in my life ever was probably January to May this year. And Finasteride, without doubt, has a lot to do with it. Because Finasteride, yeah, people say, ready, shut the fuck up. Finasteride, yeah, basically, the chemical DHT is very, very important for a man to be a man. And it's like the man chemical. I don't know specifics, like, do your own chemistry research, don't be lazy. But basically, it's very important to be a man. And what Finasteride does is it stops your body's production of DHT. So it's stopping a very important chemical reaction just to make your hair stop growing. Now, I done monodoxil, all that shit. I don't do anything anymore. My hair's basically, I don't give a fuck. If I'm bald, I don't care really. It doesn't change who I am as a man. I don't give a fuck. I'm a killer. But what I'm saying is, do not take Finasteride. And obviously, everyone's different. Not everyone's gonna have the adverse effects. But the thing is, they creep up slowly. You get what I'm saying? It's not like you take Finasteride and boom. And I was taking the 0.5. I was taking half of a pill. I was doing it smart. And I'm not saying everything was related to it, but it happened slowly. You know what I mean? It's not like you do it. Some people get the effect straight away that their dick don't work. Some people, it makes them depressed because there's post-traumatic. You can search right now, post-Finasteride syndrome, some shit like that. And, you know, people have killed themselves. This is a serious, serious medical condition. Obviously isn't spoken about that much because Finasteride is a big drug. Not all pharmaceuticals are bad, but Finasteride, that shit's poison. I'm telling you, I would never touch that. Never in a billion years. Because you can see my hair. Of course, like, you know, they say if you stop taking these drugs, your shit becomes a bucket. My shit ain't become a bucket. You get what I'm saying? Like, my hairline, you can look at the last videos, it was like my hairline, for what I remember. I don't know, what the fuck am I talking about? I'm putting it the wrong way. My hairline was like there-ish. You can look at the last video. You see in it. I'm not bothered. Don't be lazy in it. Look at the videos. And my hairline now popping. I don't give a fuck, but it's I haven't took no Finasteride. No, the only shit I took, and I can show you that I keep taking, is the shitty vitamins. And don't, you know, your meal is gonna try and scam you with the drugs. Don't do that. I take this shit in it. You look in the link in the description for this shampoo, GF shampoo. It's got bare shit in it. GF plus vitamins, botanical complex, replicant, whatever the fuck it is in it. But you can buy this shit in link in description for cheap. And you can do shit like, I never tried it myself, micro rolling or some shit. Like, you know, when you make little holes in your head and shit with a derma rolling, it's called. I haven't tried that myself, I can't be bothered, I don't care. Maybe I'll try it, fuck it, innit? But obviously this channel for me, this is gonna be about to be a man. So obviously this is how, I don't give a fuck. You man, all you man who don't care, unsubscribe, I don't give a fuck, innit? But if you really want to be a man, innit, and for me to explain my story, how to be a man, and obviously, you know, having that transplant was important, but a lot of it is in your mind, and how do you think fat, ugly man get girls? Because they don't give a fuck, innit? That's the secret. You don't give a fuck and you're a warrior, but not giving a fuck is as important. So this is in terms of days, I got it May last year. So in months, fucking quick maths, like 18 months, whatever the fuck, May last year, now it's January. So actually 2 years in 3 months, so 21 months. 21 months progress, you know what I'm saying? So this shit works, but the point is, you know, go in the link in the description for the best hair clinics, the one I went to. But, you know, bearing in mind, this clinic, no word you lie, they didn't say nothing about the aftercare. So you see my bed here, for my clinic, I literally slept, and it's very uncomfortable the first day here. I slept with like one of these neck pillows, and afterwards, the blood from the operation seeped. I don't know if, I can't remember if I had it in my videos here. It seeped through into the mattress, and I had to pay the guy, you know, $50 fucking or some shit to clean it. They didn't tell me that. Basically, the problem with this was the treatment is very simple. Don't be saying they're trying to make it like some magic. It ain't no magic. It's simple, innit? Like you see that hairline calm, everything perfect. But the aftercare and especially the anesthetic was not good in this. That it was in and out things. You know what I mean? If you confirm it, but you look at my face, I look like a balloon. You know what I mean? I don't give a fuck. It was fine afterwards. And also, don't listen. This is a tangent, but I can make content like this just to get this shit monetized. Basically, they say to not, you get scabs. So because my body's healthy and I don't smoke, you know, blame like some nitty and drink, I got scabs quickly, and they say don't get the scabs. And these scabs were horrible. The way I describe these scabs, because what happened is my hair was growing so quick, it was going and it was pushing through the scabs. You get what I'm saying? So my scabs were stopping the hair from sprouting. It was horrible. It was like, if you watch The Mummies, you know the first one, yeah? That scene where the beetles are going through the skin. That's what it felt like. It was disgusting. It was horrible. Don't listen to them. Like, if your body is telling you something, listen to your body. So, shit, they're still doing some soaring shit. So, long story short, my mum has baby oil massaging because you got to do this process. And I started doing this with baby oil, and I felt instant relief because I feel the scabs. I just started doing this, and all the scabs, I was like, oh my God, this feels so good. So I spent like an hour or whatever just doing this around the scabs, literally just doing this shit. It all came off and I felt way better. Like, because, like I told you, what happened was like, think about how a plant grows. This is your hair, yeah? The scab was stopping the hair. You get what I'm saying? So it was the feeling of this and that. You can see like my video, like I speak about it. It is horrible feeling, horrible feeling. So as soon as you feel you don't need it, like literally get some oil. Don't be doing none of this. Use your knuckles and like see if you feel relief. If you feel relief, fuck it. Get rid of all the scabs. Get rid of all of them. It's not worth it. Fucking, it's horrible. Again, if I'm making this video, if you want to buy, go to the clinic I went to. More information. Check the channel out. Like, subscribe, all that shit, gang.